Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over all the good deals that are going on at Dollar General this week, plus we have a full glitch list. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up I want to go ahead and remind everybody that I've already uploaded 3 Dollar General videos so far this week, starting on Sunday with the new coupons and glitches. Then on Monday I went over all of the new clearance markdowns that we have, a ton of 90% off items, plus a new penny list. And then we also have a run deal on cereal right now, so if you guys have missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so starting off with our food deals for this week, we have a sale on the Tasty Cake cinnamon rolls and cupcakes. They're on sale this week, 2 for $6. And don't forget that we do have new DG rewards, and that does include the Tasty Cake products. So y'all make sure that you have those clipped to your accounts. Alright, next up we have a 1 off 2 digital coupon for the Barilla pastas. So these are priced at $1.75 each. Pick up 2. Use the coupon. You're going to pay $2.50 for 2. Next up, we also received a 1 off 2 digital coupon for the Snickers singles. So these are priced at $1.25 each. Pick up 2. Use the coupon. You're going to pay $1.50 for 2. Now we also received a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Mars Wrigley gum. So these are priced at $1.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 85 cents. Alright, next up we have a deal on the Yoplait yogurt singles. These are priced at 85 cents each. What you want to do is pick up a total of 7. That's going to put you at $5.95. We have a 50-cent off 5 digital coupon and a 40-cent off 2 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $5.05. But this deal gets even better, because right now on Ibotta we have a $1.29 rebate back when you purchase 6. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get back $1.29. That's going to make your final price $3.76 for 7 items, making each one just 53 cents each. Alright, next up we have the cans of Pepsi Nitro. Now these are priced at $2, and right now on Fetch Rewards we have a $1 rebate back, so that's going to make your final price just $1. And while we're on the topic of Fetch Rewards, I wanted to go ahead and remind everybody that right now, basically all of the stores are marking down all of their Halloween items, including candy. Right now at Dollar General, the Halloween candy is marked down to 50% off. And right now on Fetch Rewards, we have all kinds of new candy rebates. So if you picked up any of that Halloween candy lately, make sure that you scan your receipt into Fetch Rewards so that you can earn some points back. Alright, so now we're going to move on into our household deals. We're going to start this category off with a Downy Unstoppables deal, because as you all know, we do still have that DG store coupon for save $2 when you purchase 3 Downy Unstoppables products. So for this first deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Febreze Unstoppables air products. You can choose from the wax melts or the air freshener sprays. These are priced at $4 each. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Downy Unstoppables scent beads, 8.5 ounces. Those are priced at $6.95. So we have that 2 off 3 DG store coupon, plus we have the Febreze $3.30 off 2 digital coupon, and we have the 2 off 1 Downy products digital coupon. So after all of those are applied, you're going to pay $7.65 for all 3 products, making each one just $2.55 each. Or here's an alternative way that y'all can do this deal. You can pick up 2 of the Febreze Unstoppables air products priced at $4 each, and then 1 of the Downy Unstoppables scent beads, 5.5 ounces. Those are priced at $5. Use the 2 off 3 DG store coupon, plus that $3.30 off 2 Febreze coupon, plus the 1 off 1 Downy product digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $6.70 for all 3, making those $2.23 each. Alright, next up, we finally received some new Gain coupons. So we have this 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Gain liquid laundry detergents. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. And then we also received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Gain laundry products that are priced at $4.50. So after that coupon is applied, you're going to pay $3.50. And I do want to go ahead and point out that the Gain powdered laundry detergent is included in this sale. Alright, next up we received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Tide Simply laundry products. So these are priced at $8.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.25. Next up, we have a $1.25 off 1 digital coupon for the All and Snuggle products. So if you want to pick up the All Free and Clear liquid laundry detergents, those are priced at $4.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And we also received a new 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Scott bath tissues. So if you want to pick up the 12 count, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. And keep in mind, we do still have that instant savings for when you spend $16 on Scott brand products, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. Now, this 1 off 1 coupon also works on the Scott bath tissue 6 count. These are priced at $3.60. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.60. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Cottonelle bath tissues. So the 12 count, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Next up, we have $1.50 off one digital coupon for the Angel Soft Bath Tissue 16 Mega Rolls. So these are priced at $9.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.35. And we also received a one-off-one digital coupon for the Angel Soft Bath Tissue. So if you want to pick up the 6-count Mega Rolls, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. All right, now next up, here's a deal that I want you guys to pay attention to because this just goes to show you how tricky sales ads can be. So we have the Kleenex Cubes 60 count. These are on sale this week, 3 for $4. Now we also received a 1-off 3 digital coupon for the Kleenexes. So if you pick up 3 at $4, use that 1-off 3 digital coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 3 boxes. Now, look at this deal right here. We have the boxes of Kleenex tissues, but these are the 144 count. If we pick up 3, that's going to put us at $4.05. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $3.05 for 3 boxes. So you are getting more than double the amount of product for about the same price. There's only a 5-cent difference there. So I think this is definitely the better deal. And I'm very glad that this deal popped up for us this week because, especially going into the holiday season, stores will try to use all kinds of different manipulation tactics to get us to spend our money on certain items so that they can move that product out of their store. So I want you guys to be extra careful this holiday season. Make sure that you are comparing prices and don't always trust the sales ad. Just because it says that it's on sale doesn't necessarily mean that that is a great deal. All right, next up, we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Airwick Scented Oil products. So if you want to pick up 2 of the starter kits, those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. Next, here's an amazing deal. We have a 5 off 1 digital coupon for the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits. These are priced at $11.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. But this deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $5 rebate back, making your final price just $1.50. All right, now we're about halfway through this video now, so I wanted to go ahead and take a quick second and make sure that everybody's had enough time to leave those smiles down in the comment section below for me. If you haven't done that already, right now would be the perfect time to do that because I know some of y'all been slacking out there. So if you haven't done that, go ahead and leave a smile down in the comment section below and hit that thumbs up button while you're at it because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways. And we all love free stuff around here, so that is a free way that you can help support this channel. Now, if everybody's had enough time, let's go ahead and jump back into the deals. Alright, so first up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Dial body washes. These start out at $3.45. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.45. Next up, we have a 4 off 1 digital coupon for the Chic Intuition razors. These are priced at $7.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Little Critters vitamins. These are priced at $5.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. Now we also have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Children's Dimetap. So these are priced at $6.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. And we have a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon for the Advil. So if you want to pick up the 24 count, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. All right, next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Robitussin. So if you want to pick up the 10 count, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Children's Ibuprofen. So these are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And then we also have a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon for the Excedrin. So these are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. All right, so next up, we're going to move on into our glitch list. So here we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Advil products. This is glitching and working on the 20 count Advil, priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. All right, next up, we have that 1 off 1 DG store coupon for the Dove and Degree deodorants. This is glitching and working on the 1.6 ounce women's deodorant and the 1.7 ounce Degree men's deodorant. These are priced at $2.65. Pick up one, use the coupon, you're going to pay $1.65. All right, next up, I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Jess for sending in this deal. So with that 1 off 1 DG store coupon, plus she had a 1 off 1 manufacturer coupon on her account, she went into the store and this was the only one that she could find to attach to both coupons. So it is on the Degree Men's Extreme Blast. These are priced at $2.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 65 cents. Now, that 1 off 1 DG store coupon is also working on the Degree Men's Travel Size Deodorants. These are priced at $1.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. All right, next up, we have the $1.50 off 2 digital coupon for the Clorox products. This is glitching and working on the 48 ounce pine sols. These are priced at $4 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50 for 2. And it is also glitching and working on the 24 ounce pine sols. These are priced at $2.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.20 for 2. Next up, we have the 50 cent off one digital coupon for the Lysol products. So this is glitching and working on the $1 travel size Lysol multi-surface cleaners. These are priced at $1, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Vicks Dayquil and NyQuil products. So this is working on the 4-ounce liquid bottles. These are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Next up, we have the 1 off 2 digital coupon for the Old Spice deodorant. So this is working on the little travel size. Those are priced at $1.25 each. Pick up 2. Use the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. Next up, we have this coupon for $3 off when you purchase 1 Old Spice body wash and the lotion. So this is glitching and working whenever you pick up 2 of the Old Spice body washes. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $7 for 2. Next up, we have this 1 off 2 digital coupon for the Olay products. This is glitching and working on the 2-count bar soaps. These are priced at $3.25 each. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for 2. Alright, next up, we have a 150 off 1 digital coupon for the Palmer's products. This is working on the 2.1 ounce lotions. These are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. Alright, next up, we have the 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Crest and Oral-B products. So, quick update, it is no longer working on the Crest with Scope toothpaste. However, it is still working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste, the Bright and Clean toothbrush, and the Healthy and Clean toothbrush. So, pick up 2 of those products, use that coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Now, we also still have this 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Crest toothpaste. Now, this one is still glitching on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste, priced at $1, so after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Next up, we have the 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Oral-B toothbrushes. This one is glitching and working on the Bright and Clean toothbrushes, priced at $1, so after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. And then we also still have this 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Crest mouthwash. So this is glitching and working on the Crest with Scope mouthwash, priced at $1, so after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Mucinex products. This is working on the 4-count Mucinex. These are priced at $4.65, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.65. And we also still have that 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Emergen-C products. This is working on the 2-count. These are priced at $1, so after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. And we also still have this 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Vicks VapoCool Cough Drops. So if you want to pick up the 20-count found in the dollar aisle for $1, after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but make sure that y'all stick around because you know your girl's going to have more deals for you guys here shortly. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.